Are you getting non-stop messages on Snapchat, but don't want to block the person? In this video, I'll show you how to mute a chat, whether for 1 hour, a whole day, or until you turn it back on yourself. No blocking, no deleting, just peace with a few clicks. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss any new tutorials I upload. So, the first thing you need to do is find and open your Snapchat app. Once you're in it, the next step is to tap this icon here to access your chat list. Here, you'll see a list of all your conversations. Then, tap and hold on the chat where you want to mute message notifications. When the menu appears, select Chat and Notification Settings. Then choose Notification Settings. There, you'll see a toggle next to the option Mute Chats. Tap it, and a duration choice will appear. You can mute messages for 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn notifications back on yourself. Choose whatever suits you best. I'll choose 8 hours. And that's it. If you want to turn notifications back on, just repeat the same steps and toggle mute chats off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.